Samsung next Unpacked event is less than hours away, where we are rumored to see 4 new products, which include the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds Pro. Right now, every single detail about all 3 devices are out thanks to leaks and rumors from multiple credible sources. Now, at the Galaxy Unpacked event, the star of the show will probably going to be the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which will be arriving with subtle changes and improvement in terms of design, display, camera and internals. Now, let's discuss every change one by one. Starting with the design, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be coming with same design philosophy as the last year. The only major change you will see will be in the hinge department, in which we have a new hinge design. Instead of having 2 separate portions of hinges, we now only have a single hinge through which we can connect 2 displays, which is a new approach by Samsung. Like the first major change you will see, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be lighter in weight than its predecessor. The second major change will bring a wider outer display which has 23:9 aspect ratio than its last year foldable 3 devices, which is great to have because it will help out in holding the device better and the usability of the outer display will be even more impressive. Also, third major and important change for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be bringing with this new hinge is the internal display, which has lesser visibility of the crease instead of the Fold 3. Although the crease is still visible, but it is not going to be as noticeable as the last year Fold 3. So definitely this is a big jump. Now, as we are discussing the display, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be coming with a 6.2 inch of dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display with adaptive 120Hz of refresh rate. Also, the internal display will be having a 7.6 inch of AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display with adaptive refresh rate of 120Hz. And also it supports the S Pen with small bezels all around. And on top, we have to buy the screen protector separately because this year Samsung will not be providing you pre-applied screen protector for your device. The ultra thin gloss technology that is coming this time in the internal display will be improved, and it's going to be coming with the new ultra thin gloss technology. So definitely that's why Samsung is giving you the screen protector separately. The outer display and the back will be coming with a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, which is again an improvement Gorilla Glass Victus. Well, the other major change for the display will be 1000 nits of peak brightness, which is kind of a low as compared to last year model, which reached up to peak brightness of 1200 nits. So definitely I believe that this leak is not true. So do expect that at least the same kind of nits of brightness as the last year. Other aspects of the design are same. Now, the second major update for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be the cameras. Although it was a long due for Samsung to bring an improvement in the camera department, and finally Samsung has listened and they are bringing a major upgrade in the camera sensor. Like, this is the first foldable device which brings a 50 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 10 megapixel of telephoto camera with 3 times of a zoom capability, which is definitely going to be a good thing, and it will also bring a 30 times of space zoom, which is kind of a nice. Now, as far as the selfie camera is concerned, the outer display will have a 10 megapixel of selfie camera, while the internal display will be having a 4 megapixel of under display camera, and it is going to be improved in terms of pixels, and you will see less noticeable in the internal display, and it looks like that it will be completely invisible in the internal display as compared to last year. So definitely a big improvement. To be honest, don't expect a major upgrade in terms of the Fold 4 under display camera. It will provide you a decent quality of images and videos, but not super impressive. Also, some camera feature that are coming for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have a nightography feature, which include 23% better pixel plus zoom view capture, where you can see zoom and original view at the same time. And lastly, you get another upgrade in which the outer display will have the functionality of the cameras, to which you can take the selfie using that particular screen as well, which was not available in the Galaxy Fold 3. Now, moving on towards the internals, we also have the upgrade here as well, because Samsung choice of processor this year will be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Well, this is going to be a big improvement in terms of its temperature and the processing speed. According to the leak, we have a 19% of CPU improvement, 59% of GPU improvement, and finally 68% of NPU improvement, which is nice. And it's also going to be one of the powerful processor currently coming in any Samsung device yet. So to be sure, this is going to be a good choice. Also, this new processor is developed by TSMC instead of the Samsung, so we can expect a better performance than its predecessor. It will be packing a 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of internal storage, and the storage will be based on UFS 3.1. Also, we have a 1TB and 128GB variant in the rumor mills, but that is only going to be happening in special markets. Lastly, we have the battery performance. This year we have the same 4400 battery capacity as the last year, but there is an improvement in the battery algorithm which helps you to charge it from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes and complete charge the device in less than an hour, which is a huge news because this is also a key area of concern for foldable fans. Now finally, the decision factor between buying or not buying for the foldable devices will bring on to the pricing. According to leaks and rumors, it's still the same pricing as the last year, like $1,800 for 256GB storage and $2,000 for, which is going to be a little bit on the expensive side. And we are hoping that if Samsung is bringing the same changes as the last year, and definitely they will bring the prices down. But if that is not the case, then I definitely think that their goal of having to sold more foldable devices will not be achieved. No, that is my opinion. Let's see. Fingers are crossed right now. Hope that Samsung will bring the pricing down. You can get the discount for the foldable of up to $100 if you reserve the device early in select market. But if you reserve the Fold4 plus Watch 5 Buds Pro, you will get a flat $200 of a bonus. And you guys, I'm super excited about the event which is less than hour remaining. Let's see what Samsung is bringing. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.